kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Khur kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkrai api na kabenda ka neat.
Ka Sanfida nong rum kalawan ra e kanam ke burom ya kari India kamtam e ka Jylla Meghalaya lingba ka Jylla jongka banyali kai bha haka Lympung ili kai football jongka Saff Women's Championship haka paka India kala yora ya kanam lado baka Sanfida nong rum kala sajid kung manang ili kai bakan saitam ni ka most valuable player jongka ni ka Lympung ka jingili kai final ka long ha Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Hamargaon ha Goa ke India kala pelim ya ka Bangladesh dalai la ka wei ke India kala yo thap ningkong ya ka gol ha ka minute ka pa Saufua jong ka kelas dam henry shuaban kot ka kelas dam ka Bangladesh kala pan phai kala kata ha ka minute ka pa Saupusan plus iwei tang marias tang ka kalamiet ka Sanfida nong rum kala yo thap ya ka gol ha ka minute ka pa Saupun riu balapan but pan sa kalenda kum sertu ha ka minute ka pa prapuar pat penskam sundan ya ka jingjob jong ka India ka Sanfida kala long nang liak kai ka papau menta om tang ha India Henry ha Asia ru namar ka Jylla jongka banyali kai bha ha ka ni ka Lympung ha ka bakla penjob ru ya ka India ling ba ka gol jongka ha ka semifinal umentri rang ba ka Jylla konrat ki sangma ulai ro ya Sanfida namar ba ka Jylla jongka banyali kai bha kara e ka nam jong ka Jylla Hawaii day ba ka football kendet chapang ka Sanfida ka brangdan menta arpuis nam karta kelas dangi ka jingili kai football ningkong e ha ka Jylla lajong Henry House nam ajar arpau arpuwei kadan baka Bangalore United FC ajar arpuwei hadu ajar arpuar baka Servodam SC ajar arpuar hadu ajar arpulai baka Sport Odisha ajar arpulai hadu menta baka Gorwal United baka Dandu baka Misika United FC kala sajid akathop jengki nangili kai kiban mi khmat ikari India baka lalai banyili kai keleng kiri ke perthai.
Round of applause. Oh, her smile, her happiness says it all, ladies and gentlemen. Sanfida, a fabulous performance from her. This award is presented to the player who has demonstrated outstanding skill, sportsmanship and contribution to their team throughout the tournament. And Sanfida did just that.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.